Have you ever seen someone remain calm during really difficult moments and wondered how they do it? What's their secret to staying calm when everything seems to be going wrong? And how can we use ancient Buddhist ideas to help us in our busy, modern lives? Today we'll find answers to these questions. We'll use Buddhist teachings which have existed for thousands of years to learn how to maintain inner peace even when external circumstances are challenging. This isn't just about learning concepts. It's about changing how we live each day to become happier and more at peace. We'll dive deep into what Buddhism teaches and see how it can help us today. We'll talk about how to handle change, how to be kind and understanding toward others, how to be mindful of the present moment, and how to overcome difficult times. Each part of our discussion will give you a new perspective on how to live a full and balanced life. Buddhism doesn't tell us to withdraw from the world. Instead, it teaches us how to be part of it in a better way. It's about finding strength when we feel weak, being strong in a calm way, and discovering wisdom in simple things. Every step of our journey today will teach you something useful. We'll learn how to deal with our emotions and improve our lives as we explore each part of Buddhism and how to apply it in our daily lives. We invite you to stay with us. Each topic we discuss is a piece that helps you understand more and gives you practical tools you can use. From dealing with worry and fear to becoming stronger, improving our relationships, and growing as individuals. Every topic is important for a happy and balanced life. This journey is about turning what we learn into what we do. We hope you don't just listen, but also reflect on these ideas and make them part of your life. If you find our discussion helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Your likes and subscriptions help us create more videos that can help you and others. Are you ready to start this journey with us? Stay with us as we explore how to live as if nothing bothers us, showing the power of Buddhist wisdom for our modern lives. Stress and anxiety are something we all face, but the good news is that there are ways to manage these feelings better. Let's see how we can handle stress and anxiety in a healthy way so they don't take over our lives. Understand stress and anxiety. Stress is a reaction to a challenge or demand, while anxiety is more like a feeling of worry or fear about what might happen. Both are normal, but it's important to keep them under control. Practice mindfulness. This means paying attention to the present moment. When we're mindful, we don't worry about tomorrow or regret yesterday. It's like enjoying a good book. Without thinking about your to-do list, use breathing exercises. Taking a few deep breaths can help calm your mind and body. It's like pressing a pause button on your worries for a moment. Exercise regularly. Exercise is a fantastic way to reduce stress. It's not just about getting fit. It's about giving your mind a break. When you move your body, you release stress. It's like shaking off worries with every step you take. Eat a healthy diet. Eating well helps your body handle stress better. It's like giving your body the right kind of fuel to face tough times. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial. When we're tired, everything feels more overwhelming. A good night's sleep is like recharging your body's battery so you're ready to face challenges. Talk about your worries. Sometimes simply talking about what's bothering you can make a big difference. Sharing your concerns with a friend or family member can help you feel less alone and more understood. It's like sharing a heavy load. Take breaks. If you feel overwhelmed, step back and do something you enjoy. It's like giving your mind a little vacation from stress. Learn to say no. Saying no is a skill that can help with stress. We can't do everything, and it's okay to say no. It's like setting a boundary that helps you stay calm and centered. Have a hobby. Having an interest outside of work or daily responsibilities can be a big help. It gives you a chance to relax and do something just for fun. It's like a little escape that helps you recharge. Let's remember these tips for dealing with stress and anxiety. By taking care of ourselves and learning these skills, we can feel more at peace and enjoy life more. Resilience and strength are about becoming stronger and wiser through the challenges we face in life. It's like being able to bend with the wind, but not break. Today, we'll explore how we can grow stronger and more resilient so that when tough times come, we're ready to face them. Understand resilience. Resilience isn't about avoiding problems or not feeling upset. Here it's the ability to bounce back after difficult times. It's like being a sponge that can be squeezed by life's challenges, but then returns to its original shape. Keep a positive perspective. This doesn't mean pretending everything is fine when it's not. It's about focusing on the good even when things are hard. It's like looking for the silver lining in a dark cloud. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness helps us stay calm and think clearly under pressure. It's like being in the eye of the storm. Everything is swirling around, but you're in a calm place. Build strong relationships. Having people we can talk to and trust makes us stronger. It's like having a team in a sport. You're not alone and you have support. Learn new skills. Challenging ourselves to learn and grow makes us more resilient. It's like adding tools to a toolkit. The more tools you have, the more problems you can solve. Take care of your physical health. Eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep make us physically stronger and better prepared to handle stress. It's like building a solid foundation for a house so it can withstand storms. Be flexible and adaptable. Life is full of changes, and being able to adjust our plans makes us more resilient. Here it's like being a tree that bends with the wind instead of breaking. Find a sense of purpose. Knowing what's important to us and what we're working toward gives us strength. It's like having a compass that guides us through turbulent seas. Practice. Gratitude. Focusing on what we're grateful for brings joy and strength. It's like nourishing our soul with good thoughts. Remember past successes. Reflecting on the challenges we've already overcome gives us confidence that we can handle what's coming. It's like looking at a scrapbook of life's victories. Simplicity is about enjoying the small things in life. It's realizing that you don't need big, flashy things to be happy. From now, we'll talk about how living simply can bring us true joy. Declutter your life. Letting go of things that don't truly help or make you happy is like clearing a room and feeling how nice and peaceful it is afterward. Practice mindfulness. When we truly pay attention, we start to notice and enjoy the small things around us, like a pleasant breeze or the smell of fresh coffee. It's like looking closely and discovering that even a simple stone can be quite interesting. Avoid comparisons. It's easy to feel like we need more when we see what others have, but true happiness comes from being content with what you have. It's like running at your own pace and not worrying about how fast others are going. Cultivate. Gratitude. Every day, think about a few small things you're happy about. It could be anything, like a good song you heard or a nice text from a friend. It's like collecting little happy moments. Simplify your relationships. Spend time with people who make you feel good and let go of friendships that bring you down. It's better to have a few good friends than many people around who don't truly make you feel good. Connect with nature. Nature is full of simple, beautiful things. Just spending time outside can make you feel calmer and happier. It's like taking a breath of fresh air for your mind. Create things yourself. Instead of just buying things, try cooking a meal, painting a picture, or writing a story. When you create something, you connect with the world in a simple but profound way. It's like showing a little piece of your heart through what you do. Help others. Doing something kind for someone else can make both of you happy. It's like lighting a candle for someone else. It also lights up your own room. Remember, less is more. In a world that often says you need more to be happy, finding joy in less is truly special. It's like discovering a hidden treasure in your own backyard. Overcoming life's challenges is something we all face. Challenges can be big or small, but they all teach us something valuable. Today we'll also explore ways not just to face these challenges, but to grow from them. Understand that challenges are part of life. They're not just obstacles, they're opportunities to learn and become stronger. It's like learning to ride a bike. At first it's hard and you might fall, but then you become stronger and more skilled. Keep a positive mindset. This doesn't mean ignoring the hard things, but looking for ways to overcome them. It's like seeing a problem as a puzzle to solve, not a roadblock that stops you. Break challenges into smaller parts. Big problems can feel overwhelming, but when you break them down, they become more manageable. It's like climbing a mountain step by step, instead of trying to jump to the top all at once. Build a support network. Having people who encourage you and offer advice can make a big difference. It's like having a team in your corner cheering. Stay flexible and adaptable. Sometimes the first plan doesn't work, and that's okay. Being able to change your approach is like finding a new path when the first one is blocked. Practice mindfulness. When we're mindful, we stay focused. And don't get lost in worries about the future or regrets about the past. It's like keeping your eyes on the road while driving to stay safe. Learn from past challenges. Looking back at what you've already overcome gives you confidence. It's like keeping a record of all the difficult levels you've passed in a game. Help others with their challenges. When you offer advice or support to someone else, you not only help them but also reinforce your own learning. It's like teaching someone else to ride a bike. It improves your own skills. Remember that challenges are temporary. Just as seasons change, so do life's difficulties. They're not permanent, and they too shall pass. It's like knowing that after every storm, there's a chance for a rainbow. Building healthy relationships is really important in life. Good relationships with family, friends, and even co-workers can make our lives better and happier. Let's talk about how we can strengthen and make our relationships healthier. Communicate openly. Speaking and listening attentively strengthens bonds. It's like building a bridge between two people. Practice empathy. Putting yourself in someone else's shoes creates deep connections. It's like feeling the warmth of the sun on a cold day. Set boundaries. Knowing your limits and respecting others keeps everyone comfortable. It's like building a fence around your home. Show gratitude. Expressing appreciation strengthens relationships. It's like giving sunlight to a plant. It helps the relationship grow. Be there in tough times. Supporting someone when they're struggling strengthens your bond. It's like being a rock they can lean on, forgive and let go. Holding on to negativity harms relationships. Forgiveness is like cleaning a wound so it can heal. Share common interests. Having shared goals or hobbies brings people closer. It's like two musicians playing together. The music they create is beautiful. Remember, relationships need regular care. They're like a garden. If you care for them, they'll grow and flourish. Regular effort, understanding, and love keep relationships strong and healthy. Today we've talked about many important things, from managing stress to building resilience, finding happiness in simplicity, overcoming challenges, and cultivating healthy relationships. These lessons aren't just ideas, they're practical, tools for living a happier, more balanced life. Remember, life is full of ups and downs, but with mindfulness, kindness, and compassion, we can face anything with calm and strength. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from these lessons. Together, let's take small steps every day to grow, thrive, and live with peace and purpose. Thank you for joining me on this journey.